Yeah, hello guys. In this video I'm going to train you on how to trade digital options with different strike auto selection. People do ask me the difference between digital options and binary options. Well, digital options is a type of binary option trading that gives the trader more trading choices or options with the purpose of minimizing risk, which includes selling a position with profit before its expiration. Well, before I continue, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do by hitting the subscribe button below. Also turn on the notification bell beside it so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. For this training, this is the trading platform I'm going to use. So if you're new to this trading platform, kindly use the link I dropped on the description to download and set up your own account. You can trade either with your mobile phone or with your personal computer. Some of you might be wondering what trading digital options with different auto strike selection is. Well, on this platform there are basically two types of auto selection, strike auto selection. One is called the spot, the other one is called the closed. And you can also trade the digital option without auto strike selection. As I continue with this training, you understand the difference and how to trade with different auto strike selection. Well, for you to consistently make profit trading digital option, first you need to develop a strategy and you need to develop a trading plan. That way you can consistently make profit trading digital options. Well, at the end of this video, I'll show you my own personal digital option strategy that I've developed that has been working for me for months now. So I'll show you how much I've really made with this strategy. So it's for the past few months. Make sure you watch the video till the end. With that being said, let's go into the training. To start trading digital option, the first thing you need to do is to launch digital option platform. How do you do that? You can do that by simply clicking the plus button here as indicated by the arrow. Once you do that, you select digital options. Here is digital options, and these are all the assets you trade on digital options. Take note that in digital options the only asset you trade are all currency pairs, and these are all the currency pairs you trade on digital options. All the currency pairs. So you select the asset, the currency pair you wish to trade. For the purpose of this training, I'm going to go for the Euro USD, and here is my Euro USD. So I'll just click on it. So I've launched. This is the price action for Euro USD for the past 6 minutes. Let me see the 1 hour view. Yeah, I'll click on this place to know the 1 hour view. So this is the price action for Euro USD for the past 1 hour. So if I want to check the price action for the last 3 hours, what I just do is I click 3H here, 3 hours. If I want to see the price action for the past 1 day, I'll just click 1D here, which is 1 day, and I also have 1 month here. This platform is actually the mobile platform. The desktop computer platform is quite different, but it's almost the same thing. It's just that the personal computer platform has more features. For those of you who don't know what price action, when I say price action, what I mean by price action is the price, the direction of price this asset made. That's the movement, the trend, the movement of the trend. That's what I call price action. Now you have selected the asset you want to trade. The next is to select the strike auto selection. It's either you're going for the, you want to trade the spot, or you're trading the closest auto strike selection, or you're not trading with auto strike selection at all. So first, let me show you how to choose the auto strike selection you wish to trade with. First, click the time button here as indicated by the arrow. Once you do that, this pop-up will appear, and if you look closely down here, you see strike auto selection here. Then below it you see off. you see closest, and somewhere here you see spot. So currently it's on spot. So I'll first show you how to trade digital option using spot as the auto strike selection. Then after that I'll show you how to trade with the closest as your auto strike selection, and next I'll show you how to trade without auto strike selection. So if you want to trade spot as the strike auto selection, this is how it looks. The difference is not much from that of binary options, trading binary options. When you're trading spot strike auto selection on digital options, the difference with that of binary is that it gives you the opportunity to sell a position on profit before it expires. So to open a position with the spot strike auto selection, what you do is first you just select the time frame here. So I'm going for 5 minutes. So this is 1 minute, this is 5 minutes, this is 15 minutes. So you just choose, you can choose 1 minute, you can choose 5 minutes, you can choose 15 minutes. So I'll go for 5 minutes. I'll just select 5 minutes here. So it's already on 5 minutes. Then I'll click back here so that the pop-up will disappear. The next is to choose the amount you wish to invest. You click here to select the amount you wish to invest. So I'll just go for $10. The next thing is this portion here. Okay, the next thing is this portion here. You see 87%. This means that if you open a position and the position closes on the direction you speculated, you're going to earn 87% of the amount you invested. If you look beside it, you see the total amount you earn if your speculation is correct, which is 8.70 USD. The next thing is to either open a buy sell, a call position, or a put position. A call position simply means that if you open a call position, it means that you are speculating that this is the current price of this asset here, as indicated by this arrow. This is the current price. So you're speculating that at the end of 5 minutes, which is before the price touches this red line here, as indicated by the arrow, the price is going to close above this current price here. The current price here, that's what it means. But if you open a put position, it simply means that the price will fall below the current price when it hits the red line, which is the expiration time. So after your analysis, it's your analysis that actually determines if you're going to open a buy position, a call position, which is also known as a buy position, or put position, which is also known as a sell position. So after your analysis, you can decide which of the position you intend to open. So to open a call position, I will simply click the call button, this call button here. If you click the call button, you see that it just picked. This is the point I opened this position, this point here. So I'm speculating that before the price, let me zoom it, before the price touches this red line here, that is going to fall above the point I opened this position. So that is what call position means. So if you want to open a buy position, a sell position or a put position, you just click the put button, the red button below. So if you click the put button, this is the position, this is the point I opened the sell position. So I'm speculating that before the price touches this red line here, which is the expiration time, is going to be below this point I opened the position. You can determine the direction of the price when you have done your analysis proper. So this is how to trade. And if you wish to close the position, you can come here. If you want to sell the position, you can come here and close all the position. Here indicates the profit you earn if you are on profit, and here is the indicates if you wish to sell before expiration, what you earn before the expiration. So I'll just close this. I'm just showing you how to trade digital option using spot as your auto strike selection. So that is it. So I'm selling, I'm sold off. Okay, sold off. So this is the profit I earned. I sold before expiration, so this is the profit I earned. So if I had the patience to wait till it hits the expiration time, I would have earned higher if it went in the direction I speculated. This is how to trade spot strike auto selection. Now let me show you how to trade closest strike auto selection. How do you do that? The first step is to set it up. How do you set it up? Just click the time button here. So once it pops up, then you click on the closest. Once you do that, you select your expiration time. You already know how to do that. This is 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. 15 minutes is the highest expiration time for digital options, unlike binary option that has expiration time of up to 1 day, 2 days, 1 week. So you select your expiration time. So for the purpose of this training, I'm going for 5 minutes. So I'll select 5 minutes. Then you click here for the pop-up to disappear. So I just did that. Then you notice that on closest, you see that the call button has its own payout, percentage payout, and the put button also has its own payout, and it changes as the price of this asset changes. It changes as the price of this asset changes. So now if you look at the call button here, you see it changed from 87, now it's 42, now it's 97. It changes. So if you wish to trade, if you want your payout to be above 100% or 60% or 80%, you only open the position when it indicates the payout you wish. So this is the difference between spot strike auto selection and closest auto strike selection. Okay, let me open a position. I just opened a position now. It's still the same time. I opened a call position and put position. So now I opened a call position. If you look at this place here, this just if you follow this line that you open this position to this point, it will show you the percentage payout you're going to earn. Actually it is 92. Remember, it fluctuates. It's 92. So if my speculation is correct or prediction is correct, I'm going to earn 92% of the amount I invested, which is $10. That is how closest works. This closest, there's a strategy called hedging. Is if you want to apply hedging strategy, it really works with this closest auto strike selection. So in my subsequent videos, I'll tell you how to hedge with closest strike auto selection. So now you have seen the difference. Okay, now let me teach you how to trade without strike auto selection. To trade without strike auto selection, what you just need to do is you click the time button here, then you select off down here as indicated by the arrow. Once you do that, you select your expiration time. So I'll go for 5 minutes here. So I'll click 5 minutes. So okay, then I'll click back. Then the next thing is to select the amount you wish to invest here. So I'll go for $5. For the purpose of this training, I'm going for $5. When you turn off the strike auto selection, you'll be the one to determine the strike price, where you'll be the one to choose where to open the position, either below the current price of that asset or above the current price of that asset. As you can see, you can use your hand and shift it to any position you want to open it with. So as you're doing that, you see that the profit, the percentage payout here will be changing based on how you move it. So now it is, I moved it above the current price of the asset. Remember, this is the current price of this asset. It's not steady, it fluctuates, and this is the strike price, the price I wish to open this position with. So if I want to, now is above the current price, so if I open a call position, which is by clicking this call, what I'm speculating is that before it hits this red line here, which is the expiration time, it will fall, it will be above the strike price, the price I opened that position with. So if I do that, I'll end, the percentage payout will be indicated somewhere here based on the amount you invested. So you always determine that after you have done your analysis. So let me open a call position or a sell position. So once you click call now, it has opened. That is to say, I'm speculating before the end of this session, before the price touches the expiration line, which is this red line, it will fall above the price I opened the trade with. So this is how to trade without strike auto selection. So if you look at this place, you see if I wish to sell this position now, this is what I earn. If it shows red, it means you're on loss. If it shows green, that the percentage profit you're going to earn if you sell the position now. To sell the position, and if you allow it to reach the expiration time, this is the total amount you earn if it falls above the point you open the trade with. So now if you wish to sell, you just click the sell button here. So that is how to trade without strike auto selection. So I'm selling off. You can still do the same thing if you want to open a put position. Just click the put button. So I'll open a put position by clicking what? The put button here. So once you do that, okay, what I'm saying is the price will fall below this point. So if it falls below this point, what I'm actually going to earn will be indicated somewhere here. You see, just follow this line, you see a figure somewhere here, 151%. So I'll earn 151% of the amount I invested if my prediction is correct. So that is how to trade without strike auto selection. As I said earlier, for you to consistently earn profit trading digital option, you need to develop a strategy and also a trading plan. For me, I trade digital option often. I do also trade other instruments like boom and crash, and also trade binary on dtrader and the rest of them. But I've developed a strategy that I've used to trade digital options, and it has been paying off. So I'll just show you how much I've earned trading digital option with my personal digital option strategy. Hello guys, let me quickly show you how much I've made using my personal digital option trading strategy. So I'll show you now. So I'll go to my trading history. Yeah, trading history. Then okay, then the trading instrument, I'll select these digital options, digital, then account type real, that's my real account. So I'll select the month, how much I've made in the past 1 month. 1 month is already highlighted, then I'll apply. Then in the last 1 month, I've been able to make $1,246 with this personal digital option strategy of mine. So let me check how much I've also made in the past 3 months. So I'll come here, I'll select 3 months. See 3 months here. I'll select 3 months, I'll click apply. Then in the past 3 months, I've been able to make $2,142 as profit using this same strategy. Then the highest we can go here is 3 months. So these 3 months, today's date is actually 25th of July 2020, and this 3 months dates back to 25th of April 2020. So let me see, go back. I can still get another 3 months from this April 20, from January 25th of January. Then we go to 25th of April. So then I'll click apply. Click apply. Within this period, I made $885. So if you add it to the other 3 months, you see that in the past 6 months, I've made almost $3,000 as profit using this digital option strategy of mine. So if this video was helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified. Don't forget, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section below.